Hello, I saw this loading animation by Bees and Bombs, and I thought it would be a fun little thing to CSS. So let's see how we do that. We start with a number of hues. This is going to be 6. Then we have a number of repetitions for each hue. Let's say 3. Then we have a total number of arcs, which is the number of hues times the number of repetitions. Then we have a loop. So for I starting from 0, going all the way up to the number of arcs, increment it, and then we have our arc elements, and let's set in a style attribute an angle, and this is going to be, need to interpolate this stuff, I times 360 over the number of arcs, degrees. Okay, so having done this, let's see. Here we're going to have our arc elements, and they're absolutely positioned, and let's give them some dimensions, and we do this. Let's say we have a radius, which is in viewport units, so it's going to scale with the whole viewport. Here we set padding, and we set a border, and it's going to be something like this. Now that I've done this, let's also set border radius 50%. Okay, so now it's round, and border top color, let's set HSL value. Okay, and we're going to need a hue there, so let's set that hue here within a style element. So style, and here we have arc nth of type. I'm not using nth child because I have that style before, so here I have the number of hues. Okay, and this is going to be within a loop, so I'll take and have a loop. So here, this is going to go all the way up to the number of hues. Okay, so having done this, n plus I plus 1, and here I set a hue, and this also needs to be interpolated, I times 360 over the number of hues. So having done this, I use that hue right here, and it should do something. Okay, the rest of the borders are transparent, so now I should see. Okay, next I set transform rotate, and here I use that angle custom property. Okay, so that worked. We won't be doing anything regarding the markup, so let's leave it at that. Set something like this. Okay, let's not forget to replace background with mix. I went for background because mix is not in the suggested list, so that's the whole deal there. So something else I want to do is translate Y 65%, and let's also do scale something like this. Okay, this looks nice. Now on the body, let's set background. Okay, this, let's also set overflow hidden. Now that I've done this, let's create a keyframe animation. So keyframes animation, let's say it's going to be 0%, 12%, 12.5, it doesn't really matter. And let's set this Actually, I'll just be setting. I'll be setting it like this. Animation. Is in. No, is out. Infinite. Alternate. So let's see it. Okay, this might be a bit too long, so we'll do it like this. Okay, this works. Something else. Let's prettify this. Top 50%, left 50%. Okay, not exactly what I was going for. Top. Okay. And let's also set the margin minus that radius. This should put the whole thing in the middle. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I'll just leave it at this. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have and you want me to be able to do more stuff in the future, please consider supporting my work. You can do this by being a cool cat and becoming a patron on Patreon. That comes with some really cool perks, which you can check out if you go to my page, which is going to be linked in the description below. Or you can make this kitty very happy by getting her something off her Amazon wishlist. Again, the links for that are going to be in the description. Or you can at least share this to show the world what can be done with CSS these days, because honestly, I think it's pretty damn cool. In any event, thanks for watching.